Hi everyone, in today's video we are making mango banana smoothie. This easy banana mango smoothie recipe is very delicious and very easy to make. Welcome to my channel. My name is Olayemi and welcome to Olayemi Cooking for returning viewers and new subscribers. Thanks so much for your support. So these are the ingredients we are using. Fresh mango, you can use frozen mango as well. So I'm using one fresh mango, half cup of yogurt, so you can use any type of yogurt. I'm using vanilla yogurt. You can use any yogurt you have available. So let's make our smoothie. So I'm going to add my half cup of yogurt into my blender jar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my cut mango as well. So I'll also be using one frozen banana to make this banana mango smoothie recipe. So I'm going to add my frozen banana into my blender jar. Then I'm going to add half cup of low fat milk, then 5 ice cubes. So we are just going to blend this until it's well smooth. If you've not liked my video, please remember to like this video and remember to share this video with your loved ones. We are going to blend this until it's well smooth to get that creamy taste of delicious smoothie recipe. So this is how to make a delicious and simple mango banana smoothie recipe. This recipe is very easy and very healthy. So in a glass cup, I'm going to serve my mango banana smoothie recipe to enjoy. This is a perfect healthy smoothie recipe that you can add to your kids' breakfast recipe. Is perfect and is very easy to make. So this is how to make easy mango banana recipe, and which is very delicious. If you enjoyed this mango banana smoothie recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get updated of my new videos and my new recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you all in my next videos, and bye bye.